this one here. Because all the metal transition metal right there. Good. As soon as we clean it up, you can see a lot of details, eh? Otherwise, it's gray, gray, gray. Look at the color, blood, eh? Blood, eh? Blood, blood, eh? Brush your teeth, mister. Look at the ear right there. It goes this side. Yeah. See? Yeah. I do this with each and every rock I find. Otherwise, you cannot really see what they are actually all the time. There you are, mister. There you are, mister. Open the lights. Here we go. Give me a little second here, guys. So that would be the nose, the mouth, the chin, hair. Okay. Same for this guy. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Stay safe. Like, share, support, subscribe, and all the good stuff. This, that's what, later on, that's another head. This is the nose right here. The eye right here. See?